Today I'm taking a look at the AKM quarter-inch drive 18-piece swivel socket set. So I got a bunch of their 3/8 drive swivel sockets. This is the first time I've seen their quarter-inch drive swivel sockets. And as you can see, they go down much smaller. So we got a 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So no skips on that metric set between a 5 and a 15. That is excellent. We also have a swivel adapter. We have what looks like a 3/8 to quarter-inch drive adapter. So if you want to use a 3/8 ratchet or impact, you can use that with these sockets. We have our impact driver adapter, and we have 3 extensions. So that is a 2, 4, and a 6, or you can add them all together and get 12 inches of extension. So if we look at these, the 5 and the 15 are about the same length. 15 is just a small amount larger. We're looking at just under 2 inches, about 1 and 15/16 on the 15, and about 1 and 13/16 on the 5. Those are both a quarter-inch drive. We got a nice thick wall on there, so it's going to be good for our impact rating. They are both drilled all the way through, so we can use that with a pin and O-ring attachment if we want to make sure that these cannot come off of our impact. On our largest size, we can put that anywhere we want to, and it's going to stay in position, which is important in the event that we have to drive that into an area. We want to make sure that this isn't going to just flop down. These are all 6-point. They are all drilled out on the corner, so it's going to be good for off-corner loading. They are fairly shallow, so that's going to help to get the size smaller, which is important with a swivel because you're always putting these things into some kind of an area where you need to have tight access. And we can see the numbers are written on there, very easy to see. They're also written very nicely here on the case. It's a nice red and black foam case, so you'll be able to just take this whole thing, throw it in your toolbox. Because this also has our swivel adapter, in the event that you want to use a swivel socket that does not come in this set, we've got this adapter so you can throw any socket you want to on that. This is still going to be overall much shallower, so you'll be able to fit that into a tighter area, but it's nice having this in this kit. So yeah, if you're looking for a quarter-inch impact ready swivel socket set, that is going to be an excellent option for that.